If you are looking to learn coding, especially mobile app development, programming languages, information technology, game development, or web development, you've come to the right place. I currently have 21 published courses on Udemy spanning these topics and more. I have several complete programming course, beginner to expert classes. Each of these courses aims at allowing you to master one programming language or platform. These are my complete C# programming course, beginner to expert, Ultimate Python, ML, AI, hacking, speech recognition, and more, HTML and CSS Masterclass, Mastering IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio, and Android Dev Masterclass Build 10 Apps, Java and Kotlin courses. If you're a beginner to coding and want to master the fundamentals in simpler languages like Python and JavaScript, I have a series of computer programming courses aimed at beginners. The sequence is as follows: computer programming for beginners, computer programming in Python and JavaScript intermediate, and advanced computer programming in Python and JavaScript. Are you getting ready for a coding interview, perhaps at a top-tier tech company? Prepare for any coding interview using my Coding Interview Masterclass in C# and JavaScript, where I teach you the approach to solving coding questions presented to you in an interview. Need help writing a resume and cover letter? My Fundamentals of Information Technology class has a full section on resume writing, cover letter preparation, and interview techniques. Demonstrate your ability to employers and maximize your skill set to land your dream job at a fantastic salary. Want to learn how to build video games? I have several courses on the topic of game development in Unity and build all kinds of exciting game projects hands-on like Pac-Man, a car racing game, Super Smash Bros., Super Mario, and more. If you want to take your Unity game programming skills to the next level, I highly recommend trying out my other most recent course, Master Unity and C# by developing 5 Super Mario games. Whatever your programming goals are, my courses will help you achieve them and carve out the career path of your dreams. If you have any questions about my courses, feel free to message me on Udemy or check out the free preview videos featured on the landing page for each course.